Imagine a company that has seen its stock price rise by 90.51% in just 1 year. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the secrets behind Vedanta Limited's remarkable journey. Vedanta Limited is not just any company. It's a global natural resources conglomerate with operations spanning across India, Namibia, South Africa, Liberia, and the UAE. From exploring and extracting minerals to processing oil and gas, Vedanta Limited is a powerhouse in the natural resources sector. In the last quarter, Vedanta Limited reported a revenue of 20,133 crore rupees, marking a 25.7% year-over-year growth. Impressive, right? But that's not all. The company's net profit for the same quarter was 4,183 crore rupees, a 22.7% increase from the previous year. Despite these gains, Vedanta Limited has faced its share of challenges. Its annual revenue fell by 2.59% last year, while the sector's average growth was 0.74%. However, the company's quarterly revenue rose by 6.02% year-over-year, outperforming the sector's average growth of 2.24%. Vedanta Limited's stock price has been on a roller coaster, but it has consistently outperformed its sector, rising by 90.51% in the past year. The company's price-to-earning ratio stands at 34.55, higher than the sector average of 22.96. This indicates a premium valuation. One area of concern is the company's debt-to-equity ratio, which is 2.34, suggesting that its assets are heavily financed through debt. On a positive note, Vedanta Limited's return on equity for the last financial year was 13.79%, within the normal range of 10% to 20%. Mutual fund holdings in Vedanta Limited have increased by 3.17% in the last quarter, now standing at 6.72%. However, promoter shareholding has decreased by 5.57% in the most recent quarter, now at 56.38%. The company's interest coverage ratio is 3.99, indicating that it can comfortably meet its interest payments with its earnings. But there's a red flag. Promoter pledges are alarmingly high at 99.99%. Vedanta Limited has a mix of bullish and bearish moving averages, with 12 bullish and 4 bearish indicators. The company's current stock price is 459 rupees and 80 paise, down by 1.48%. Vedanta Limited has an upcoming dividend of 20 rupees per share, due on the 10th of September 2024. Mark your calendars. The company has a history of generous dividends, with multiple interim dividends declared over the past year. Vedanta Limited has also been active in the market, with significant bulk and block deals reported. For instance, Finsider International Company Limited sold 97,945,940 shares at an average price of 427 rupees and 21 paise on the 26th of June 2024. On the same day, BNP Paribas Arbitrage sold 606,297 shares at 262 rupees and 55 paise, while Societe Generale purchased the same amount at the same price. Vedanta Limited is also involved in various corporate actions, including bonus issues, splits, and rights offerings. The company has a diversified portfolio, producing commodities vital for global decarbonization and energy transition. Vedanta Limited is a major player in the production of aluminium, copper, zinc, lead, silver, iron ore, oil and gas, steel, ferrochrome, nickel, cement, and commercial energy. The company has iron ore mining operations in Goa and Karnataka, with exports through the ports of Goa, Mangalore, and Krishnapatnam. Vedanta Limited also has a significant presence in the pig iron business, focusing on the domestic Indian market and exports to the Middle East and Southeast Asia. The company's history dates back to 1965, and it has grown through various mergers, acquisitions, and expansions. Vedanta Limited has a strong management team, with key executives overseeing different business segments. The company's board of directors includes experienced professionals from various fields, ensuring robust governance. Vedanta Limited is committed to sustainable practices, with certifications like OHSAS 18001 for occupational health and safety. Stay tuned to see how Vedanta Limited continues to navigate the complexities of the natural resources sector. Vedanta Limited, powering progress, shaping the future.